No, I don't think so. Welcome to Brewster Lake. Welcome to Brewster Lake. Despite all of the things he's doing, sore throat, this guy made it. And you took a little washroom break, didn't you? Paul V. Paul V. It's on tape. It's on tape now. Good morning, Frank. Welcome to Brewster Lake.
Thank you for everything. Everything's beautiful so far, and we still have a lot more to come.
Absolutely. Go make yourself at home. Sweeper.
Hey, good luck, guys.
Are we all ready or what?
Welcome to Brewster's Lake, guys.
Fantastic. Okay. Nice jersey. Keep going.
On the website, so we have a chance to look at it.
Absolutely. He's already complained. Look at that. Fantastic. Go.
No hills, right?
No hills at all. One guy that read the memo, he wore his jersey today.
Hey, thank you.
Welcome to Brewster Lake. And that's how we roll here at the Veneto Cycling Club. Right? That's how we roll, right? Yeah. So we got all our members here. Well, not all our members, about 27 of them signed up for the Brewster Lake ride that takes us to Creemore. We're looking forward to the ride. Everyone's having a good time so far. We got breakfast going on, and there's gonna be lunch served. So, Brewster Lake. Hello, I heard you made the famous polenta.
I will make polenta.
We'll make polenta, fantastic.
And we get a fish.
Oh, you can catch
Are
a
you
fish.
ready to go?
Yeah, we are.
Waiting for Rocco. Car back.
Car back. beviamo, 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 tutto il mondo fa cin cin, come l'oro bicchiere di vino, cin cin.
Let me get some fans I can catch them. Just give me like a minute.
No problem.
Is there a pond here or a lake? There's the ducks. Like it, right? So close by, right? Close by? Up the hill. You see that backside there? Yeah. They're not open.
Sometimes you don't have to go too far to find a different kind of worship. This is the church of Chef Michael Statlander. Love, peace, and tolerance. Kind of like is the perfect recipe, isn't it? But just let's bring it to real society, real conversation, real exchange of knowledge, food, love, eh?
Yeah.
And look at this thing.
It's about bread for the world, for everyone.
Bread for the world, bread for everyone. It's not often you turn around, you're working with Canada's legend, Michael Statlander, creating a church of, what is it?
Love, peace, and tolerance.
Love, peace, and tolerance. I don't have his accent, but that's how it is.
Yeah. Lots of work can be done. We have the time.
I love it.